Here goes. I'm hot, and I don't mean spike hot. Hello! Welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade, and today we've got a food review, stroke snack review. We have McCain's Firecracker Wedges, hot and crispy, all the way to too hot to handle. You really think? I don't know. We shall see. Let's just run through the ingredients, shall we? See what kind of spices they've added. So we have potatoes, 88%. In the batter there is wheat flour with calcium, iron, wheat starch, spices, here we go. Smoked paprika, cayenne, bird's eye chilies, cumin, salt, malt vinegar powder, garlic powder, tomato powder, roasted garlic powder, yeast extract, capsicum extract, red bell pepper powder, natural garlic flavouring, parsley and sunflower oil. So the bird's eye chilies in here. Could be interesting. Could be spicy. We will have to wait and see. So yeah, preheat oven, gas mark 7, which I'm going to do in a moment. Spread a thin layer, 18 minutes, turn every now and again until they're lovely, crispy and light and golden. So, let's go now, crack open the Firecracker Wedges and see if they really are firecracker heat. So here we are guys, at the workbench as usual for the Firecracker Wedges. Hot, hot, hot. I'm not expecting massive heat out of these. Even though it's got bird's eye chilies in, so you never know. They smell like a potato wedge. So I'm going to whack a nice good layer, probably about half the bag there. They look okay. They look quite well coated. With the, you can tell by the tomato powder and the paprika that's on there with the colouring. So these take literally, it says 18 minutes, but as always, as I say, this is just a guideline. So we're going to go, we've got our oven preheated, so we're going to go over to the oven and we're going to whack these bad boys in. There we go, for the Firecracker, McCain Firecracker Wedges. See you in about 20 minutes. So guys, here we go, the wedges am out, the McCain Firecracker Wedges. They don't smell too spicy. These are red hot, by the way. Literally just this second come out of the oven. But they look really nice, they look like wedges. I don't know what they're going to taste like, so I'm going to wrap them all into a bowl. There's a fair few here, probably depending on the spice level. Might get through, might not get through, who knows. So there we go, a bowl of McCain's Firecracker Wedges. Let's see if they live up to the name, and head in the front and go and eat. Right, here we are in the comfort of our living room on the sofa with our t-shirts, relaxed, and our McCain's Firecracker Wedges. These have got bird's eye chilies in. Well, apparently they've got bird's eye chilies in, cayenne pepper and a few other bits and bobs. So I'm hoping they're going to have a bit of fire to him. So fingers crossed. So, like I said, quite well coated. They look really nice. Don't get any spice smell, you just get the potato smell. So, here goes. I'm hot, and I don't mean spike hot. They're a little bit bland. As you bite into them, the potato lands on your tongue. There is a little heat there, but they've actually got no real flavour to them. If you know what I mean. There's no cumin. There's no spices. There's no. It's just like eating a plain potato. I don't know. I was really looking forward to these. Even the heat's probably not even a 1. I do prefer wedges to chips sometimes because when you've got the skin on it normally gives more flavour. But these are they're really bland. There's a little bit of heat that's just sitting on my tongue. But it's not even reached that level of a 1 yet. It's such a shame. I could probably give these to the dog and he'd be able to eat them. They're crunchy because it says 18 to 20 minutes. I left them in for nearly 35 minutes, 40 minutes close to. So they were nice and crispy and crunchy, which is what they are, and I do like that. So I put them in for 18 minutes, nowhere near. I'm working my way through the bowl just to see if the heat picks up a bit. But it's not. It's still not even a 1. If I was to eat these again, definitely have to grab me some Catch the Reaper, Daddy Cools, or a bit of Black Death. Definitely need sauce to spice these up. I am going to eat them because I'm hungry, to be fair. But I don't slate products very often on this channel. Very, very rarely do I slate products. But these get a 2. Because there's actually no flavour to them. They're just bland, boring potato wedges with the tiniest bit of heat to them. I'm bored now. My taste buds are bored. So I'm going to leave them there. McCain's Firecracker Wedges. Do not buy. If you're in a chilly head and you like some heat to your food, don't buy them because the heat level's not even a 1. I've got more heat from the steam in my mouth than I have from the chili. They get a 0 for heat and they get a 2 for flavour. The reason they get a 2 is because I actually cooked them longer than I should have done and they were crunchy. They're very bland. There's no real seasoning or coating on it. Even though it looks like there isn't. There's no flavour, no nothing. So very, very disappointed in McCain and their Firecracker Wedges, but hey ho, we live and learn. Won't be buying them again. So that was my review. 0 heat, 2 for flavour, and that's only because I overcooked them longer than I should have done. My taste buds are bored of eating them, so I'm not even going to bother anymore. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review, even though I slated something which, like I just said, I don't do very often. So smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. When you hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Click the notification bell, you will get every single notification from me, Rob, of Rob's Homemade. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and peace!